Realized I don't have chat up. Let's see if it's live. It's live now. All right. That is a benefit sometimes. You're right. Especially this afternoon, man. I had to ban someone. Don't like having to ban people. So this level, which we made earlier in the stream, um, there was like a bug with it, and there's like garbage up in the air as well. So I want to just check the entities and make sure that they're okay. And then I want to check the merge command. So my theory is that the merge command doesn't correctly tell the editor about what it destroyed. So if I restart this level, let's see if there's extra walls in the ground or not. There, wait, it didn't work. It just didn't save it. Wait, really? What? Merge. Oh, so nothing is going into the undo window at all. So we have to fix that. Okay. Wait, is it the other way around? I think it's like this. So that's step one. And then so new set. Yes. Let's try this. Anyone here tried Echo VR? I might have played that on Index for a little bit. I don't remember which one that is. Okay. Skip gate. Wow, I just got back from dinner and I'm starting to feel tired, so this might be a short stream. It is 10 p.m. only where I am, but I don't want to do any caffeine because it's late and that'll make me. Usually caffeine, I don't feel it if I have it during the day, but sometimes, uh-oh. What? Oh, 6:22. Wait, what? Okay, back this bus up a second. Back this bus up. We have multiple issues. Multiple issues. So merge doesn't even work apparently. And actually did this? No. So there's also some bug, if you were watching closely, You saw me delete some walls that were way up in the air. I don't know how that happens, but it's not good. I'm writing that on the list. Creating walls behind camera, exclamation point. Okay. So that's a thing, that's a thing. If I merge, it's fine. If I undo, wait, which order did I do? Did I do bottom top? Did I do top bottom? See, it's working now. So I wonder if it's something about x64 backend. I'm not going to worry about it till later. Woof, I really don't feel good today. We'll see how it goes. Maybe this dinner place I ate at was not good. Okay, anyway, so let's check this in because, oh, let's, there might be, unversioned entities. Nope. Okay, good. And then, all right, so even if I bail out on the stream and go to bed, we made our game better in 2 different ways already. Pretty crazy to see Sony obtaining OODLE texture licenses for all PS4 5 developers. Well, so it's totally in the wheelhouse of what they are doing uh, with the platform, right? Is like minimize loading times, get them down as small as actually possible, right? So they've got all this entropy coding that decompresses fast in hardware, right? That's really fast, but you know what's even more fast is if there's somehow magically less data to decompress over that, right? And so what the OODLE texture stuff does, for people who don't know, is it's a preconditioner. Um, oh, the text adventure I always recommend, the Gostak, it's called, Gostak. You should, there's a playable version of it on the web. Um, so it's a preconditioner, which means if you tweak the colors in your texture map very, very slightly by amounts that are hopefully undetectable to the human eye, right? You can encourage it to make patterns that are more compressible, right? Um, and then your data will automatically be more compressed and there'll be less of it to pull off your really fast SSD, so loading times will be even faster. And it's magical because there's no runtime, there's no extra runtime component of it. So it's very easy to integrate in your game. You just run it on your textures that you're going to use anyway before you compress them, right? So it's a really good thing. I think we haven't tried it yet, but it's a really good thing. And there's probably at least a little bit, I don't know anything about the business deal, but you can expect there's at least a little bit of a deal angle, like you can't license this in a blanket way to Microsoft. Like, of course, Microsoft developers can use it, right? But like Microsoft Console probably can't. I don't know. I don't know how that went. Let me get a drink. Microsoft has a proprietary texture compression BC pack. Yeah, I don't know anything about that. I don't even know what that is. It might be a similar thing. Okay, so for those of you who saw today's earlier stream, we were generalizing some of the energy beam ability or effects so that other objects in the player could trigger them. And we did that for the open beam. And now I think we do it for the smash beam. We have this routine called maybe smash. And that gets called from a couple places, but I think as far as I can tell, it should be very similar in structure to what we just did. Should be almost identical, but we'll see. So this is endpoint beam. We just added this one. That's from today as well, which we might not actually need anymore if we do this other one. So what I want to do, I want to no check in all this stuff that we did. It's funny how sometimes code is very short-lived. Got to turn off the air conditioning. It says it's 79 in here, but the air conditioning air blowing on me just doesn't make me feel good. Is it hot in San Francisco right now? Yeah, people are never gonna like, I mean, on the one hand, I don't think it's that bad to rename some of these things. On the other hand, if you do it by bowing to the renamers, they'll continue demanding smaller and smaller offenses to be fixed, right? That's just how that works. So I don't know. Got a sunburn on a Barcadero today. Well, there you go. Okay, so now nobody could smash anything, but we had, what did we call it before? It was maybe something. Maybe uh, maybe open gate. Okay. So if it's a rock, okay, if we can't go, although, right, this is a little different because gates don't move. All right. If e dot entity type is equal to rock, so the thing to do is Now I'm a little worried about putting this, because I'm putting this code in the function that asks if you can go somewhere. And there's something dirty about this. But on the other hand, maybe it's fine, because the other thing we could do with both this and the gate is instead return the necessary information out and have the caller do it, but that's annoying. So I don't know. I need to get alters. Oh, actually, I remember doing this the other place. Did the same thing. Okay. Okay, so what is the, so it's new info dot, no, e dot position. I don't know what the delta was. Wait, maybe smash. What are the arguments? What do you want the delta for? All right, okay. I get you. What is the delta? Move info dot delta. Something like that. Okay, we need a smash beam, which we can readily acquire by editing this. Except we'll put it here. All right. He was able to smash, even though we changed smashing. That's great. Okay, so the real question is about this. Yeah. Now, the thing is, we get to think about fun situations like, well, okay. So first, let's do this test. Okay, that didn't work. For the same reason that the gate one didn't work, by the way. Right? Um, it's not called transaction to ignore here. Boom. Okay, we smashed some stuff. So that's pretty good. I mean, the thing to do now is Benny test it, unfortunately. I say unfortunately because it's going to take some time. Maybe I should do Benny test without graphics, but we're gonna have a better graphics pipeline soon. We'll have better Benny tests by far. You have a level like this where you have to push that into the water, push the beam onto the other rocks you pushed in the water. Push what into the water? I mean, certainly there are lots of levels where you push things into the water so that you can put other things in that position. That happens early in the game, in fact. All right, let's see what we broke. Why is it going so slow? It's my laptop again, I tell you. Tell you. What made we want to create a Sokoban style game in the first place? Well, there are many factors, but um, just the idea, I almost don't remember. The idea was very interesting. It's an opportunity to do something that's in the school of game design that I like to practice, but that's different from what we did. Like after The Witness, I was like, okay, what do I do next? I don't want to do another game like The Witness. So whatever we do has to have a really good purpose behind it, right? Or maybe not purpose exactly. Maybe that's not the right word, but uh, just the idea that's supposed to make the game interesting should be pretty different from what The Witness was. And well, there's another game that we could have been working on, but I didn't want to do that with a brand new engine. Um, so I came up with this idea, and I'm very happy that I did because it's a good idea. Then push other rocks into the water surrounding it to get it back on land. Oh, I see. So you need to put it somewhere to do something, right? And then you need to get it back. I don't know if we have done that specific thing with a beam. We've definitely done that kind of thing with other objects. Um, yeah, I mean, there's almost 600 levels now. It's a good point. Let me hide the screen for a bit, and people can guess how many fails we will have. Or no, how many successes. The question is, how many successes will be reported at the end of the Benny test? It could be high, right? If this didn't break anything, it could be high. It could be low because a lot of levels have smashing, and if I screwed something up, a lot of levels could be broken. 566, 577, 832. I don't think it's going to be 832, if I'm being honest. I also don't think it's going to be 17. I also don't think it's going to be over 9,000. It really, you don't like a function being called maybe something? Well, program some games without saying maybe something and we'll see how they go, right? Honestly, if you make a game and it's good, I don't care if there's functions in there called maybe or not. Uh-oh, that was a smash level and it failed. So does maybe smash do alter smashes? I don't think so. Oh, you could smash rovers. I forgot about this. Does the many test taking a long time bother me? Not too much. It's starting to bother me just because we have more and more levels. And I'm running on a laptop. But normally I don't mind too much. If I were like a TDD person and ran it after every line of code that I typed, I don't think it would be good. So now here's the thing. I probably, oh yeah, like a lot of Smash levels are failing. But we did, so I should stop it, but we did a guess. We had people guess, so maybe we shouldn't stop, because how else will we know who's right? But okay, the thing is, we're gonna have to run another Benny test after this, so I might just stop it. Haiti next, dude. Okay. Uh, Actually, it's not that many fails, but it is some that we're not supposed to have. So let's look. Sorry, your fail guesses apply to next round when we do the full Benny test. They're still good, but you'll be able to re-guess if you want. You can next time we guess, you can say your same number. Oh man, I erased the log that has the fails. Dunk the dragon and swap smash are two of them. Wait, what? Okay. Swap smash 2. Let me just try playing it. I just played this level the other day. Right? Why can't this guy smash? Fuck. He's trying to smash. This guy is not being a Super Smash Brother. I don't like that he's not being a Super Smash Brother. All right. So, why is he not smashing? All right, so we're going to break in Can Go and find out what's going on. All right. It probably doesn't, there's probably an early out if he's not strong enough or something. Okay, so it's a rock, probably. Whoa. We early out if there's no pushes. If the guy cannot push, all right, that is the flaw in the plan. So people who cannot push at all, oh, maybe smash checks smashes and alters. Okay. So we don't actually have to check this. Check for any other. Let's refactor this slightly. Okay. So we do one there, we do one there. I'm not thrilled about having two, but actually three, because one for falling, but it's less than we had. Oh, yeah, we're there already. What am I doing? I think that succeeded. It's I mean, you couldn't see it that clearly because it was slow ass debug build, but look, I'm smashing. All right. So what about Dunk the Dragon? That succeeded. All right. Well, was it smashing when actually moved and not on the attempt to do so? No. It's you only can smash a thing if essentially if you try to move into it square and fails, right? It has to be up against something preventing it from moving. Like, yeah, I don't know. All right, everybody, we're starting a new bunny test. You can repeat your guess from last time. If you want, you can make a new guess. You can, we know that at least two levels were fixed, so you could subtract two from your previous guess if you would like. The money's still in 566, all right. 570, 11 fails. We're betting on succeeds, not fails, man. We measure success here. Would it be impossible to run this test without running at all? No, it wouldn't be impossible, but I wouldn't want to, like, you never know what's happening when you do that. Like, if you can see what's happening, then it's good. How many people are working on this game? Um, 535 will pass. Is that a witness player that we have there? Um, I don't actually know because, you know, at the company, we have people working on a few different projects. There are people who have done a little bit of work on this game, but are mainly working on something else right now. I honestly don't know. It's probably it's the majority of the company, certainly. More than 10, probably. Is that right? I don't even know. I don't know how many employees we have now. Like, we're all doing the remote thing. I haven't seen anyone in like a million years. Let me think for a second. Art team, 4 people. Programming, 3 people who are definitely working on it right now. Like management, Um, do you count outside the studio people? 2 audio contractors. That gets us to 10 already. QA occasionally works on this as well as our other stuff, 11. Um, at least 11 people. I'm probably missing something. How is remote work working out for the company? It's hard to say. And like, here's the thing. Remote work works better sometimes than other times. Like right now, most of the people on the game have been on it for a while and kind of understand better what the game is. And so they can kind of just go forward. Like high density communication is less important now than it was at the beginning of the project, right? So I wouldn't have wanted to be remote at the beginning of the project, but maybe now it works better. I don't know. How you handling the remote thing? We use Google meeting things. We're still going. We are still going. Rumor had it I was thinking of writing a response to your Palladium essay. I don't know which one yours is. Um, I would have to say probably false because I don't recall wanting to write a response to a Palladium essay. Um, I was going to write a Palladium essay, but it was not a response. Skipping stones going the opposite way on every other space. That's a good idea. I'll try that. Whisper me your email or your name or whatever, and I'll try doing that level at some point, hopefully, and I'll credit you as co-designer if it actually works out. Stream your work monitors, you can always see everyone working. Ugh. I don't think I would like that at all. I wouldn't like that even when I'm in the office, which, yeah. Read the Twitch chat going to be in the credits. There already are, like about a year ago or maybe more. Some people in the stream will remember. Um, we did some level design streams and some people had ideas and I built them out and I credited them as co-designer in the level. Or in some cases, I would have the idea, but then somebody would make it better. and then they get credited as co-designer. So it's not a huge number of levels, but it's like 4 or 5 levels. I would try designing that level now, but because I'm not feeling super good tonight. Like I said, I was feeling a little ill, um, and so I'd rather like do that when my creativity is at max, right? Maybe in the morning if I wake up early enough. I've got to check out of here and go to another town tomorrow. Um, where am I heading tomorrow? Colorado Springs. Colorado Springs. Do you know where I'm going to go? I'll show you the place I'm going to go in Colorado Springs. It was recommended to me by a friend. Let's see. They have a really good. Wait, I don't want that. I want to see the actual store photo. They have this crazy picture of like the inside of their store. Like, why is my internet being so slow, man? I don't know. You can go to the website. There's some crazy pictures on here. Where are the crazy pictures? I don't remember where they are. Here? Oh, here we go. That's pretty good. Talk in chat so you can whisper me. Will that actually keep it for later? Because I'm not going to be able to respond right now. Should do the incline in Manitou Springs. All right. Anyway, this is still going. We're doing magnitudes. This doesn't look right though. This looks messed up again for some reason. Oh no. Yeah, no, it's messed up again. Maybe there's like some undo bug, or maybe because there's a lot of smashing in here and I changed smashing, something went wrong. Maybe we'll have a bunch more fails. Like it looks like it kind of went wrong during the smashing time, but the late smashing time. So I kind of don't know what's up with that. Well, we have at least one fail. I probably will not make a shooting game anytime soon. Are those keywords rock and rover, enums, or strings? Neither. They are types. They're types. Because this is not a broke-ass programming language, you can refer to types as values. Like people have been able to do since 1950 in some languages. 1950s may be an exaggeration, but almost. Batch complete. All right. You have 10 seconds to put your guess in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I have to wait like 8 seconds for stream lag. All right. We'll see. We'll see what it is. 577. I think somebody said that. We do have more smash problems though. We do have more smash problems. It's not good. We had 577 before as well. Oh. So Dragon Clock. Okay, so that failed last time, but then I ran it manually and it passed. So again, that's some kind of weird, like, dude, it works. That's some kind of weird bug in the replay system. All right. Druid Stone, we know is broken. It's still there. We know is broken. Multi-purpose. So magnitude's broke, but that's probably a smash bug. If we fix a different one of these smashes that's failing, then hopefully it'll fix magnitudes. All right, so these are known. These are known fails. Known fail, known fail, known fail. Okay. So it's, well, maybe Bardwalk. Bardwalk is a newer fail that started showing up. I don't remember which one that is, but I don't think it's due to this. So these are probably all the same problem, whatever that is. Okay, this is technically wrong, I guess. So I see what the point of the level is. Wait, do I? Like there are lilies hidden under these rocks. No, I think it was that same dragon clock level. Wait, what? So that doesn't look like a smash problem. That looks like something, maybe the undos come out different. So like, is that one supposed to be smashed somehow? What is supposed to smash that? So this is designed so that once you smash the first one, you can't get the thing down to smash the second one. So I don't understand. Oh, okay. It's that she smashes the stone while it goes by, supposedly. That is illegal according to what I just did. I'm going to let that fail for tonight and send an email about it because it is questionable. In terms of player understanding of how things work, it's questionable. Okay. So the other ones were, I mean, maybe they're all like this. Simply smashing. That sounds simple. Wait, what? Bro, smash it. How did I break that? That just looks like a totally normal smash factory. Maybe smash. Yeah, if I hadn't called it maybe smash, I wouldn't have any problems. Do we use that push index variable? This is off topic, but oh yes, we do. Okay, this is fine. So we ask if that rock can go, and we're coming back up. Oh, geez. Now I've totally lost. So This is still a rock, so we got to go up. Okay, this is the guy pushing on the rock. We never removed this maybe open gate at. Okay. Wait, it says I can go? Why are you saying I can go? What? Oh, right. Okay. The smash that fails is when you can't push the block because what's behind it is too heavy. Because can go does not check heaviness. I realize that the word heavy is now considered offensive, and then I will get canceled for saying it, but it's pretty heavy. All right, so I'm not crazy about this, but let's delete this. Okay. So we don't need to do this. Um, just want info.target. Guy, target, delta transaction. Right? Okay, Mr. Simply Smashing. Bam! Okay, okay. I smashed that frickin' rock. Okay. I smashed that frickin' rock. All right. I bet that these other levels are fine as well, probably. Let's try them. This is a try 'em. Smash mid skip probably won't work still. Okay, hold on. Okay, that worked. So simply smashing, weaker is better. Not all gems. So smash mid skip is going to be broken. Let me see barred walk. This is going to be broken too. Pretty sure. Yep, rip. This is going to be broken. Um, all right, hold on. Let's build a release build just for magnitudes because it's long. Okay. Let's see if this passes, which I hope it does. I hope it does. Wait, no, no. I did the wrong test. We want to test the level. Ay, ay, ay. Are we already this far in the level? Wow, man. All right. Blazing through it. Bam. All right. I'm going to check this in, but send an email at the same time. First, we'll check in. Lots of different entity types can smash now. Okay. Nope. An act move has a no check-in. Yeah. Still a no check-in. Look. Okay, there aren't any more in that file. Yeah, I tweaked the dragon bit. I'm gonna have to redesign that room, I think, because there is like a more there's like a multiple solution way to solve it where the alternate solution is not, it doesn't have the same like point as the real solution or the intended solution. So the question is, how can I possibly design it? It's going to be hard, actually. We'll see though. We'll see. It is not impossible. All right. I didn't see the reply about the palladium thing. I'm now scrolling back through chat to try to find it. Bard walk started failing when I did the open beam this afternoon. Okay, we'll take a look at that then. Because that might be... Well, I can't really search for things in Twitch on the iPad. See Manitou Springs. Black pill on virtual addiction. Um, oh, yeah. Yeah, I remember reading that. That one's from a while back, right? I feel like I read that in like February or January or December. Okay. Um, oh yeah, I remember saying that I didn't agree with the viewpoint being taken. Um, but if I was going to write a Palladium article, it would be about something else. Just because, you know, I don't know. I don't know. I'm not, you got to pick your topic, what you're going to put all your effort into writing about. So that's, it's not, addiction is not really my topic. Okay. Let's do Bard Walk because that might affect the subject of this email, maybe? I don't know. And I'll send the email. And then maybe it's bedtime. I hate to say it, but um, I'd rather go to bed and wake up early and stream than like stream tired, right? Bard Walk. Okay, this is a really silly one that Matt made. The Bard just can't open doors. Oh, again, for the same reason that our pushes failed, right? Remember when I said they're basically structurally the same? It's the same reason. So, or for the same reason, sorry, that our smashes failed. And it was because of that early out when there's no pushes. The Bard can't push. Although, wait, is that true? This is on line 1243. This is 11. No. All right, well, test case. Test case. Huh. Anyway, I think if I'm going to sum it up, I have a relatively nuanced picture of video games vis-a-vis some of these things. Like, I really probably hate manipulative. Whoa, just happened. Manipulative. I I'm deleting the guy and the whole what? Um, all these games that just try to get people addicted. I really hate those, right? But I believe there was some stuff in the game or in the article, if if I remember right, that I disagreed with that was about there are ways that I think that games have positive aspects and are not actually fake, right? Um, and I think I disagreed there. But I would have to go back and read it to really remember. Okay, like she just can't open. So we're gonna do the same thing. Gonna do the same thing. The reason I put it in can go is so it would fire for everybody. Are we not? We're not even running from there. That's scary. No, no, no. Run it. Run it from here. Okay. Level Bardstone test. Let's change that back to our default level. I should just call it test. Like, how many years of my life have I spent saying Bardstone test? It was one particular level I was working on, and then, all right. So this is fine. Switch to Bard. Oh, let's delete this. Can I delete this guy now? Yeah, that was a very weird problem. I'm not going to sweat it though, because it'll probably go away when we're on DX12. All right, so boom. Let's see why we didn't do it this time. It is a gate. Oh, we're not passing transaction to ignore, are we? Oh, we are. Really? Oh, that's the this that people were talking about. Um, okay. The problem must be that Bard Motion hoses this in some way. Cancel charmed moves. We're erasing it because the all right. Okay, this is not good. So we can't just look for moves that are flagged charmed. Do we need to do this anymore, or is this old? I guess we need to do it. Yeah, we add the charmed entities. Bruh. I almost just want to go to bed. See, this is a thing where this cancel charmed moves was messy, but I was like, oh, it's no problem. All right. So we have this same problem with Smash. It's see, even though it smashes the rock, it's doing something a little bit bad. Except no, it's not. No, it's not. Um, okay, I'm just gonna put a cleanup here. This is a pretty big mess. Cancel charmed moves, erases everything, including any opens that happen uh, due to the bard uh, bumping into a gate in can go. So we check it here. This is lame. Okay. Maybe open gate at guy info target transaction. Oops, I spelled guy wrong. Want to succeed in the game industry, put the U in guy. Put the U in guy. If you're a guy. All right. Level Bard walk. Test. All right, great. So wait. Sleep is sacred, yes, but also having your video game work correctly is sacred. You know what I mean? All right, we're gonna check this in. Some fixes to smashing MKO. Okay, everybody, thanks for coming by. I might do a stream in the morning if I can do that before I have to check out of my place here. We will see how it goes. Thanks for coming by. See you later.